This is not how you blend batteries. This is how you blend batteries with the Spark CycleWorks battery blender. Let's talk about it, baby. Weighing in at 2.5 ounces with a wingspan of 1 whole inch, this little battery bastard is small and it packs a punch. Wish my ex-girlfriends felt the same way about me. The beauty of the battery blender is its ability to bring together 2 different batteries to power whatever freaky Frankenstein machine you're playing around with. Did you hear what I said? That means you can add whatever battery you want from whoever you want and it will work. Pretty badass. Now that's a big deal, guys. A big effing deal. No one else is doing this in our market right now. Further proving that we, Spark CycleWorks, are all about you having the ability to customize your machine. At about $150 for this little guy, you might say, that's a huge ripoff. I'm just gonna go on Amazon and buy a parallel battery connector for $10. Please don't do that. While it is true that you can use a parallel battery connector, it's extremely dangerous if you don't know what you're doing. And that is a recipe for a fire. So, what does the battery blender do? It's got a bunch of fancy electronics going on the inside that allows you to connect batteries that have 2 different capacities, 2 different voltages, even 2 different chemistries, and put them together so that you have one singular output. Basically, what I'm trying to tell you is it's gonna allow you to add any battery to your bike. It's pretty cool. It extends your range. It allows you to keep going and going and going and going and going and... So how do I connect this thing? It's very simple. Plug one battery into either input. Plug the other battery into the other input. Then pick either of the middle outputs to connect your controller to. It's that simple. Guys, there's only one place you can get this, and that is on sparkcycleworks.com.